Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JV from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you 5 special features that makes Redmi Note 8 Pro unique smartphone. So without any further delay, let's begin. The first feature I want to show is you can enable Wi-Fi and Hotspot at the same time in your Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let me show you. Say I've connected already to our internet using a Wi-Fi connections. So this is the Wi-Fi hotspot, so I can enable it at the same time. As you can see, tutoring or hotspot active. So let me show you. I'm already having internet connections, so I will connect one more device using this device. So here is my another Android device. So let me connect you. So I'm turning on the Wi-Fi on the other phone. So as you can see, it's already connected. You can see a signal there above. So let's browse something, whether it's really working or not. Try to browse one web browser, say google.com. So as you can see, the web page is loading. As you can see, the web page is loading. You can see this feature that you can enable Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time, as you can see here in your Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is a very useful features. So I have checked in the Redmi Note 8, which is available under 10,000 rupees. So this feature is not available on the Redmi Note 8. So this feature is only right now available in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is one features that makes really Redmi Note 8 Pro a unique. Now the second features I want to show about Redmi Note 8 Pro is the HDR support. Yes, you heard it, HDR support. As we can see, that display of Redmi Note 8 Pro is full HD, that is 1080. Not only the full HD, but the screen is the HDR supported screen. So as you can see, when you open a YouTube and search for a HDR video, say I'm searching for HDR video, so this video is the HDR. So when you open any HDR picture, so as you can see here, tap on this option. As you can see below, the quality, as you can see, HDR pictures. So if you want a high quality HDR looking videos, so you can watch on your Redmi Note 8 Pro, since it supports the HDR display. So if you want the best color in the video, then you can turn on the HDR modes when you are viewing any videos in the YouTube, Netflix, or any other supported video channels. So you can try these features out if you're using a Redmi Note 8 Pro, or if you're willing to purchase the Redmi Note 8 Pro, then this is a feature you must check out. Now the third features I want to show about the Redmi Note 8 Pro is its processor. The processor used in the Redmi Note 8 Pro is the MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is really a very powerful gaming chipset, and under 15,000 range this performance is superb. I will say superb. There is no smartphone right now which can beat its performance. So if you're really a gamer, then definitely you must check this out. And if you compare with other devices too, it will easily beat those smartphones in the performance section. So if you're a game lover, then definitely you should go for this one, because it supports the extreme graphics conditions in your favorite games like the PUBGs, Call of Duties, and so on. So check this out, and you must go for Redmi Note 8 Pro if you're really a hardcore gamer, and if your budget is under 15,000, then this phone is a highly recommended phone for you. Fourth feature I wanna discuss about Redmi Note 8 Pro is that you can see here a speaker in the bottom. So what's unique about this speaker is that it is very useful when you are lying your phone in a very dust area or something. The area you are right now is very dusty. So the Redmi Note 8 Pro has an inbuilt audio speaker that has the ability to push out those dust particles when you play any music or any sounds. So this is also great features which let you clear the dust particles that accumulates in your sound speakers. So this is also one plus point, and this kind of features are rarely seen in any smartphone till now. So check that out, these features too, if you wanna check and wanna know if it really works or not. Go in some very dusty areas and try playing some musics. But practically I can't show you right now in this video, so you can try if you don't believe me. So go and check it out. And the fifth feature I want to discuss about the Redmi Note 8 Pro is the liquid cooling system that is implemented in this Redmi Note 8 Pro. Actually, many people have wrong conceptions regarding the liquid cooling technology. Actually, it is not like that. When you are playing a very heavy games for the long hours, so while playing games your phone will stay cool. Actually, not like that. The people's thinking is totally wrong. So let me clear you. Liquid cooling is that technology. Suppose if you have played a lot of games and left your phone in the idle mode, then it will cool down quicker than those smartphones which don't have the liquid cooling technology. That is the benefit of having a liquid cooling technology. That does not mean that while playing heavy games for long hours your phone will cool down automatically at the same time. Not like that. Actually, it's when you left the phone in the idle mode, then it will cool down quicker. Listen again, I'm saying that the phone will cool down quicker only when the phone is left in the idle mode. If you continuously play games, so don't expect at that time that it will cool down at the time very rapidly. Unless and until you turn off the game and left the phone for some minutes, it don't cool down that much that you expected. So this feature is also very useful, and under the rupees 15,000 price section, I think There is no such phone which features this liquid cooling technology. So this features too makes the Redmi Note 8 Pro very unique. So I would suggest you check all those top 5 features of Redmi Note 8 Pro before purchasing it, or if you're using a Redmi Note 8 Pro, so you should try all the top 5 features. I hope you find this information useful, and please click on the thumbs like button if you like the video, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.